Hello, thank you for watching this demo project. I want to show you how you can update website data or third-party portal data automatically using Excel. You don't have to do anything manually. Excel will do everything for you based on the data in the Excel file. Data preparation. Let me show you how I get the data ready for the update. I have a list of order numbers in column B. I will do the following steps to clean the data. First of all, I will remove any unwanted previous data. Then copy all the order numbers from column B. Remove any duplicate order numbers. Sort the order numbers in ascending order. Skip the title row. Now I have a clean list of order numbers that I need to update on the website. Next, I will copy the formulas from the top row, B1 to L1, to the rest of the rows. These formulas will help me get the information I need for each order, such as the template, the required days, the business unit, and the sewing unit. Don't worry, I will set up these formulas for you according to your project requirements. To make it easier for me to paste the formulas, I have a hyperlink in cell A1. When I click on this link, Excel will select all the cells where I need to paste the formulas. Then, I will paste the formulas. As you can see, the data is updated according to the formulas. The data preparation is done. Now, I have all the information I need to update the website data. Since Excel will update everything automatically, and we can't understand it clearly. Before I start the auto-update process, let me show you what Excel will do for each order. Excel will choose the orders one by one and 1. Select the required item from this drop-down menu. 2. The website will fill out these data based on the item selection of drop-down item, but we don't need all of them. So we will delete some of the data those are not needed according to the Excel file. 3. Pick the business unit and sewing unit from drop-down menu according to the Excel file. 4. Click on the Save button to confirm the changes. When Excel will do these steps, it will be very fast. So this is a brief summary of what Excel will do for us automatically for each order. Data update. Now, let's see the magic. When I click on this button, Update in DMS, Excel will do the update for me automatically. Excel will open Google Chrome and go to the website that I want to update. To protect the privacy of some information, I have made some parts of the screen unclear. I appreciate your cooperation and understanding. The website requires me to log in, so Excel will enter my username and password for me. After logging in, Excel will go to the web page where I can update the data. Excel will enter some initial data to search for the orders, such as the company name from the drop-down menu, the date range from July 1st to March 31st, 2024. Select the knit option from the radio button. After entering these data, Excel will click on the search button. The website will load all the orders where I can update my required data. Please notice the list on the left side panel of the web page. The order numbers with red color are the ones that I have already updated. The order numbers with black color are the ones that I need to update. Now you can see the whole process in action. Our system is working by itself. I will pause the video for a moment to explain what it is doing. The system has chosen the order number 39686 to update. It will pick the template and the website will fill out the data automatically. We need to change the required days information, so we will delete the data from here that we don't need as per the Excel file. For this order, we have to delete the required days for size set with PP meeting and embellishment. Then, it will pick the business unit and the sewing unit. After updating all the data, it will click on the Save button to make the changes. For the order 39687, Excel will pick the 55-60-day solid template, delete the required days for embellishment, pick the business unit and the sewing unit, and then save the changes. If you have a similar project where you need to update website data using Excel, I can help you with that. Let's talk about your project in detail. Please send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.